From the previous video, we discussed how to solve quadratic equation by completing the square. So this time, let's discuss how to solve quadratic equation using your quadratic formula. So your quadratic formula, this is what you need to remember. That would be x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let's try to solve the following quadratic equation, which I also used from my previous video. Here you have x squared plus 10x plus 21 equals 0. So let's try to solve this using your quadratic formula. So in this case, your a is 1, your b is 10, and your c is 21. Now, using the quadratic equation, your x sub 1 would be negative b. So let's try to use plus first. So you have negative b plus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. Now, substituting the values, you have negative 10 plus b squared. So that is 100. That's 10 squared minus 4ac divided by 2a, or 2 times 1, so that is 2. Okay. Now, 21 times 4, you have 84, right? So that would be negative 10 plus, this is 100 minus 84, so that is square root of 16 over 2. So from here, you get x sub 1 is negative 10 plus 4 over 2. Negative 10 plus 4, then you get negative 6 over 2. So x sub 1 is negative 3, which we also get using the completing the square method. We also come up to negative 3 as x sub 1. Now, for x sub 2, then let's try negative b minus b squared minus 4ac. So this time, we already know the value of b squared minus 4ac. We already know the values of that. So that's square root of 16. But this time, I'm going to use minus 16 over 2. So x sub 2 here would be negative 10 minus 4 over 2. So x sub 2 is negative 14 divided by 2, or negative 7. So this is your answer. For the second example, your a is 2, your b is 8, and your c is negative 42. So same thing, I'm going to use addition first for x sub 1. So that would be negative 8 plus b squared. So 8 squared, that is 64, minus 4ac. So that's negative 42 divided by 2a, or 2 times 2. So that is 4. Okay. Now, solving for that, you get x sub 1 is equal to negative 8. And then you have 64 minus 4 times 2 times negative 42. So that would be 400. So your b squared minus 4ac is 400. 8 plus square root of 400 over 4. Now, square root of 400 is 20. So that is negative 8 plus 20 over 4. So x sub 1 is 12 over 4, or x sub 1 is 3. Okay. So same thing, your x sub 2 is negative 8. This time, I'm going to make it minus. Your b squared minus 4ac is 400. Your Because this one, your 4 times 2 times negative 42, that's equal to 3 threes. What is it? 168, or am I right? But this is a square root of 400 divided by 4. So this one would be negative 8 minus 20 over 4. So that is negative 28 over 4. So that is negative 7. So that's the answer. Okay. So 336 plus 64. So yeah, this is 400. Okay, so 3 and negative 7. That's our answer.